mile, turn right to Zero and then turn left.
Talking in a seaside and a plage. Mwana azana ba devoir ya kosala lelo.
Take the third exit onto the signaling.
Po tokende to luka biloko yo nyonso. Yango tobungi.
Turn left now and then
so
turn
plage
left.
za na musikate is at 30 minutes away, mais tozui lelo to sala. What do you think of it, babe? Is it good exercise? Kind of. Wrong way. Donc poto kende so to kende go balukina
Turn
wapi.
left now and then turn right.
Yeah, so this is what we're going to Kendi. To Bungi Deja. Yeah, to come plus a show.
A quarter of a mile, turn right to Zero and then turn left.
Tokomi. Ah, Paco, is that bien? Did you see this park? That looks really nice. I like that park. Ah, baza na parking na kati.
How much you pay?
It's
free.
I don't know if it's free, man. We didn't pay enough.
Turn right now and then turn left.
Wow, Tokomi. Ah, but what? But was it big? Somebody's getting excited.
Is ahead.
But that's my jacket na bag. Yeah, I think we parked somewhere here. When we came with Dad, we parked here.
Turn left now and then your destination is ahead.
Tokomi. Wow. Yeah, I think how much you have to pay? You have to pay there. Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Any place for kids?
Place for kids. Okay,
Your destination is located on a road with no vehicle access. Please refer to the map.
Thank you.
Tokomi Deja.
I respect you, man.
It says you have arrived. Beach na Bisangwana. Donc, tozokende, tosala homework. Pressure, so yes, piso ti hour. Pressure na tambu si biso. Wow. Okay, prompting. Bien. Baluwa banda sekondo. For maybe 1 week, 2 weeks. Banda koko luwe no ango. So even off here, kaka yona mbongo na yoga. Toko makasi. My baby is enjoying. Precious. Don't go too far. Chance na mema jacket na ngai. Malili mu pepe. Maybe na jacket na ngai. official. Well done. Let me see the color. Let me see the color of it. So we have to take it. Let me see. Ah, it looks like this one. Yeah. This one fancy. So tomoni bashisa tomoni biloko mosusu mais biloko mosusu tomoni te donc yeah, next time kaka mpona biloko mosusu wana tomoni te. Yes, so tozonga na biso ndako. Yeah, are we going home? Mutaluka nkana group. Tomoni biloko na biso.
Head to the roundabout and take the second exit.
Basically next week okay, the rock pool next week. Donc lelo to zui kaka biloko oyo batindi precious akeluka. Mutama zo kiluka biloko akisakana. Amosa ni devoir. Akomo kimane bambango. Mais bana basakani tomoni biloko bayebisaki aluka donc ezaluka 5 poto tokotia yango na nini na ye badevoir tobambi yango wana. Allez, non next week mais week wana baye kozwa yango nsima mpe classe ekangami. Pepe ezali makasi chance imagine so olate perike wana suki nyonso.
Missed it. We should be there.
Ouais.
There.
Mais tout ça, c'est bien.
No, fine.
Tu es baluka kasko. Yeah, we're spending a day together. Where are we going next? McDonald's.
Onto Chichester Road and then turn right.
Do you wanna eat McDonald's, Precious? Yeah, everybody wanna eat McDonald's. Everybody's hungry now.
Let's go fat.
You're not gonna eat McDonald's?
No.
I'm gonna eat McDonald's.
Fat. It's fat.
Well, compared from KFC, I prefer McDonald's. Merci mingi na bato nyonso batali. Première fois nanga nasala blog na Lingala. Donc nzambe apambola bino wana bye.
A quarter of a mile, turn right to see